Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel English Home. Today we are going to talk about a very important literary device, and that is simile. Simile is very common and important in English literature. And let's see what is simile. Okay, now let's talk about its origin. The word comes from the Latin similis, meaning similar, like. Now let us talk about its meaning in Bangla. Its meaning in Bangla is upama or একের সঙ্গে অন্যের তুলনা. Definition: a simile is a figure of speech that makes a comparison showing similarities between two different things using the words like or as. Even we can have a definition in Bangla. Simile হলো এমন একটি লিটারারি ডিভাইস যেখানে দুটি বস্তুর মাঝে সরাসরি তুলনা করা হয়। এক্ষেত্রে উভয়ের মাঝে তুলনার ক্ষেত্রে as অথবা like ব্যবহার করা হয়। সিমিলি বলতে সাধারণত দুটি ভিন্ন ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুর মধ্যে তুলনা বোঝায় যেখানে একটি সাধারণ গুণের উল্লেখ থাকে। We have to remember that as, like, these words are called marker of comparison. Again, I am repeating, as, like, these words are called marker of comparison. Now let's have some examples of simile. Number one example: Old Marley was as dead as a doornail. This simile is taken from A Christmas Carol. It's written by Charles Dickens. Here a comparison is made between Old Marley and a doornail. Here the marker of comparison is as. Now let's look at example 2. My mistress' eyes are nothing like the sun. This line is taken from Sonnet 130 by William Shakespeare. Here the direct comparison is made between my mistress and the sun. Here the marker of comparison is like. Let's see the third example. The cafe was like a battleship stripped for action. The simile is taken from The Sun Also Rises. It's written by Ernest Hemingway. Here the comparison is made between the cafe and a battleship. Here the marker of comparison is like. I hope all of you have understood the topic simile very well, and thank you very much for staying with us.